Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use skill attachments in Division 2. These powerful modifications allow you to significantly enhance your active skills, tailoring them to your specific playstyle. Each skill possesses unique attachment slots, enabling a wide range of customization options. You'll discover these valuable attachments through various in-game activities, including completing missions, crafting at the workbench, and purchasing from specialized vendors. Understanding their purpose is the first step to optimizing your agent's capabilities. Equipping skill attachments is a straightforward process. First, open your character's inventory and navigate to the dedicated Skills tab. From there, select the specific active skill you wish to modify. You'll then see its available attachment slots. Simply click on an empty slot to bring up a list of your collected attachments. Browse through your options, choose the one that best suits your needs, and confirm your selection to instantly apply it to your skill. It's that simple to boost your abilities. Skill attachments provide a diverse array of benefits, significantly impacting your gameplay. You'll find attachments that boost your skill's damage output, extend its duration, or increase its effective range. Others might reduce cooldown times, allowing for more frequent use, or enhance your skill's overall health and resilience. Always examine the gear score and specific attribute roles on each attachment. Selecting attachments that align with your agent's primary build objectives creates powerful synergy, maximizing your combat effectiveness. To truly master skill attachments, continuous optimization is key. Don't hesitate to experiment with various combinations to discover what works best for your unique playstyle and current team composition. Remember, higher-tier attachments typically offer more substantial statistical boosts, so always strive for the best quality. Make it a habit to regularly visit in-game vendors. They often stock new or improved attachment options that could significantly enhance your agent's capabilities. Fine-tuning your attachments will elevate your performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.